Hey everyone, today I will show you how to add Threads page to Instagram after removing it. And here's how it is done. First, make sure you have downloaded the Threads app and link it to your Instagram. If your Threads badge was previously added to your Instagram profile, you would have seen it displayed. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile. You will notice that the Threads badge might be visible here. Tap on the badge and you'll be directed to your Threads app profile. Once you are in your profile, tap the Edit Profile button. Look for the Show Instagram Badge option within your profile settings. Toggle the switch next to Show Instagram Badge to hide the badge from your Instagram profile. And install the Threads app. If you have removed the badge, simply uninstall the Threads app from your device. Reinstall Threads. Go to your App Store. Re-download the Threads app. Link your Instagram again. After reinstalling, log into Threads and link it to your Instagram account once again. By following these steps, you can successfully add your Threads badge back to your Instagram profile after removing it. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.